ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Gayatri Mantra. It is considered to be one of the most powerful mantras with a divine power. Originally written in the Vedas, the mantra is made up of 24 syllables that are meant to have both a psychological and physiological effect on our body. This mantra has miraculous powers. Gayatri Mantra is chanted when worshipping God, seeking God's blessings, seeking Brahma Gyan, societal happiness, and money. There are 3 specific times in a day when the Gayatri Mantra should be chanted. The 3 times of chanting should also include time called as Sandhya Kal, that is the evening. The first time is before sunrise. The mantra should then be chanted till the sun rises. You should not count the mantra, just keep on chanting it. Apart from these timings, if someone wishes to chant this mantra, he or she should do it silently and when it calm mentally. This mantra should not be chanted with a loud voice. Very slowly. Om Bhurvuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. We meditate upon the spiritual effulgence of the adorable Supreme Divine Reality, who is the source of physical, the astral, and the heavenly spheres of existence. May that Supreme Divine Being enlighten our intellect so that we may realize the Supreme Truth. To gain benefits faster, people should chant this mantra with Rudraksh Mala in hand. This mantra will develop devotion inside you, and God will start listening down to you after you achieve good levels of devotion. At times, it is seen that people tend to get unhealthy because of a bad omen. Worshipping Gayatri Mantra also prevents the effect of a bad omen and keeps you fit and fine. Chanting this mantra also tends to keep your future generations intelligent and wise, who are the future keepers of this wealth. It also brings in lots of prosperity within the family, who always stays calm and amiable amongst themselves, despite staying in the presence of so much of wealth. Becoming radiant divine light is the greatest benefit of Gayatri Mantra. But if you think that's not enough for you, or you think it's too far away along the path to divinity, there are too many other benefits that you can enjoy sooner. We'll talk about the benefits of Gayatri Mantra. Although Gayatri Mantra is very lucky for all, but for children it is more beneficial. Chanting this mantra 108 times every day makes children intelligent and helps them achieve everything they want. If you are facing difficulties because of your enemies, just chant this mantra every Tuesday, Sunday, and on Amavasya, wearing red clothes. You should think of Goddess Durga, meditate while chanting the Gayatri Mantra. Doing this will get you rid of all the problems created by your enemies. If your marriage is getting delayed, chant this mantra 108 times every Monday, wearing yellow clothes. While chanting this mantra, think of Goddess Parvati. You will soon find a suitable match for yourself. To get rid of prolonged illness, chant this mantra on any auspicious day. Keep a pot of fresh water too near you and sit on a red asana or a cloth while you chant this mantra. After chanting, drink the pot of water. It may surprise you, but regular chanting of Gayatri Mantra can give you a very glowing skin. The continuous chanting of this mantra also creates hatred for bad food, which leads to healthy eating habits for yourself. Om Bhurvuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.